Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to download Fruit Ninja 2 on your Android device. Downloading Fruit Ninja 2 on your Android device involves opening up your Google Play Store first. Click on the search icon at the bottom right and go to the search box at the top and type in Fruit Ninja 2. Once you make a search for it, go ahead and open up the Fruit Ninja 2 application and tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your Android phone, which will take a couple of minutes. Wait for the application to download, and once it is downloaded, tap on the play button to open up Fruit Ninja 2 on your Android phone. And there you have successfully downloaded Fruit Ninja 2 on your Android device. Wait for the game to load and then sign in using one of your social accounts and you will be good to go. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.